Have you ever wondered about the mysterious world of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies that seems to have taken the tech world by storm? This enigmatic realm is full of intrigue and hype. Today, we'll walk you through its fascinating evolution. Prepare to take a journey through the evolution of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. The tale begins in 2008 with the birth of Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, and its underlying technology, the blockchain. This was a revolutionary moment. The blockchain, a decentralized ledger system, was created to support Bitcoin transactions, offering a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof solution. It's like a public record book that no single entity owns or controls. Its potential was quickly realized, with applications beyond just cryptocurrencies. Thus began a new era in the realm of technology and finance. From Bitcoin's inception, a multitude of cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with their unique features and applications. Ethereum, for instance, introduced smart contracts and decentralized applications, or DApps, heralding a new era of blockchain technology. Ripple, on the other hand, has carved a niche in cross-border payments, providing swift, cost-effective transactions. Then there's Litecoin, often dubbed as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offering faster transaction times. But the evolution doesn't stop at cryptocurrencies. Blockchain's ledger-like capabilities have found applications in diverse fields. In finance, it's disrupting traditional banking with decentralized finance. In supply chains, it ensures transparency and traceability of goods. And in healthcare, it's being used to secure sensitive patient data. This technological revolution is far from over, with new uses of blockchain being discovered every day. Now that you've glimpsed the past and present of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, are you ready to step into the future? Embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. By delving into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, you're not just keeping pace with technology, you're stepping into a future of untold opportunities. Knowledge of this revolutionary technology could prove invaluable. Visit yourdailyblockchain.com today to learn more about the many uses of blockchain technology and how you can start earning free cryptocurrency right now. Let your blockchain journey begin.